Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to this week's episode of Mac and Maconomics, brought to you by State Farm. I'm your host, Ross Mack, and I'm here to try to help you get to a bag and help you protect the future you deserve. We got a new caller. Talk to me what you got.
Hey Ross, man, check it. I just got in tune with Dave Ramsey, and all I hear him say is all you ever need is term life insurance. What's to that?
Man, look, that's actually a great question, right? And I get this all the time. And I got a lot of love for Dave Ramsey, but this is never a one-size-fits-all scenario. So I'm gonna break down what he actually means, and then we can figure out what's actually best for you. But before we get into the weeds, man, we first need to define what is term and what is permanent life insurance. So first, term life insurance is exactly how it sounds, right? It provides coverage for a specific period of time, usually between 10 and 30 years. Now, this is the type of policy that only pays out if you pass away during this time frame. So here, the premiums are lower than permanent life, but there is no cash value. So you look at term as almost like renting insurance. If the term ends and you're still alive, which is a good thing, right? There's no payout, but you also don't get no money back. Now look, this is usually best for people that want affordable protection while raising kids, or some type of coverage that will pay off the mortgage if anything is to happen to them. Now look, on the other hand, you got permanent life insurance, which will provide lifelong coverage and include cash value components that will grow over time, usually at a guaranteed rate. And unlike term, there is a guaranteed death benefit no matter when you actually pass away, so as long as you're paying them premiums on time. Now look, understand this, cash value builds up over time, and this is an asset. You can borrow from it at any time. As a matter of fact, Walt Disney actually started Walt Disney Company that we know today and love by leveraging the cash value in his own life insurance policy. So it really does have a few pluses, right? But permanent is way more expensive than term. So let me actually break down why Dave Ramsey is saying only buy term, right? When it comes to this, right, he's really making the assumption that the average person on the average salary should choose the cheaper and much easier option, which I ain't gonna lie, I kind of agree with. But there's another thing that you really need to consider, right? What are you doing with the difference if you can actually afford to buy both term and permanent? Dave Ramsey is assuming that you buy term and actually take the difference of both premiums and invest the rest in the S&P 500. Because, well, historically speaking, the cash value grows at a much lower rate than the average return of the stock market. However, there is a big if in this whole scenario, right? You have to be disciplined enough to actually invest the difference. But let's be honest, right? Most people are not that disciplined. But then there's also another big what if, right? Another big thing that isn't reflected. The younger you are, the better your health is going to be, and therefore the lower your premiums will also be. So say a person gets a 30-year term policy at age 25. Well, when they get to age 55, the cost of actually getting insurance will be way higher. Or say, maybe when you're 40, right, you have a major health challenge, such as a heart attack or a stroke. Well, the reality is you may not always be insurable. So sure, while term is cheaper, permanent life insurance will actually guarantee that you will always be insurable for as long as you live, so as long as you pay those premiums. All in all, it's not that term or permanent life insurance is better or worse than the other, right? It's just different strokes for different folks, right? It's a different tool for a different person with a different goal. The biggest thing is that as a parent, life insurance should not be negotiable, right? This is something that you must get. Regardless, you want to protect the people that you love, build wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Remember, setting up good financial habits today sets you up for a better success tomorrow. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Next caller, talk to me what you got.